It wasn't recording then.
Nobody looks at my videos anyway because they all suck. Oh my god.
That was great. That was perfect. That was great. I really hope we got that. Don't pull out my pants. I'm not wearing underwear.
Is it on camera?
Yes.
Oh my god, I've gotten hurt so many times doing these videos.
We've only done 2.
I know. Alright, okay everybody. Watch our videos. They're great. Except for the part that I get hurt. It's Katie and Jenny. Okay, that's good.
My name isn't Jenny.
My name is Katie Taylor. Alright, video done.